This is our newest resident, Billy. He just got to the shelter yesterday. He's a 1.5-year German Shepherd Pit Bull mix. Very loving and sweet. He likes to give kisses with that curly tongue of his. He's been with kids, so he's good with kids. We don't know about dogs and cats yet. He just got here, like I said, yesterday. About 45 pounds. He's a very sweet boy. He was nervous at first when he got here, but he's really acclimated quickly, being out here only a day. And we think he'd be a good family dog. Yes, he's got a very pretty face. Yes, he does. So if you're interested in our guy Billy here, please give us a call or email us and we'll be happy to send you an application. Yes, you want to smell my hands? And he just wants to be loved. He just wants to be loved. He's so sweet. We'd love to get him a home as soon as possible. Right, Billy? Yes. We want to go bye-bye. Thank you.